Hi, I'm Dan Kogan. I'm coming to you today from the Access Security Training Center, and today we're going to be showing you a feature in Exacq VMS software called Exacq Cloud. This is going to allow us to identify when we've lost a video stream to our Exacq server. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to share my screen and show you this is the Exacq client that we have, and we basically have a camera that's up on the screen. Whether you have one camera, 500 cameras, multiple servers, it doesn't really matter. You do need to have an Exacq current software support agreement in order to have this feature enabled. And you can contact us and we can walk you through how that actually, how we can actually get this set up for you. You have your camera here. It's streaming in currently. Everything's live. You can see we can actually move the camera a little bit and you can see that it's a live image. I'm going to go over to settings, and for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just simply going to have the camera disconnect. But that would be the same as either the camera failed for some reason, somebody unplugged the camera, anything that would stop the video from coming in on a live stream or on a recorded stream. So I'm going to come over to here, and we're going to disconnect that camera. And we're going to apply just a different password, which is going to allow that camera to disconnect. So now we can see here we have the cameras disconnected. Come over here, we have a video loss that's being shown here on our screen. So now that camera's disconnected. I'm going to come over here to my emails, and I just got an email that came in that says camera disconnected, started, meaning that we've lost that camera from our stream. And that's popped up on my screen. That email can come out. We have it set up for this demo purposes being an instant alarm, but you can have it set up as a delay that after the camera has been out for either a minute, 5 minutes, an hour, that you would get notified. That helps prevent some of the little network issues or network dropouts that may happen if it's only a second or a couple of seconds and so forth. If you set it to a minute or 5 minutes, it'll lessen those alarms. So we've gotten our email. We now know that there's some event that's happened. We know that right here we can see our camera name of what camera and the server that's had that alarm happen on it. So we're going to go back into our Exacq software. We're going to fix that camera stream. And we're going to have the camera reconnect. Now, what we should get is an additional email that lets us know. So now we have our camera coming back online. So we now have we're back to a live, we've lost our video loss, we're back to a live image. And what we'll get is an email that comes across to us that says, okay, now our video has been restored. So our camera disconnect started was the message we got originally. Let's go back over to our emails. So we have our camera disconnect started. Now we're going to get a camera disconnect stopped email coming through to us. Camera disconnected stop, which means basically that video has now been restored to our system. So a very simple, easy way to monitor your cameras. And again, it can be done. This is working constantly, so it's working 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You're able to monitor all of your cameras and verify that they are up, working, and streaming to your recorder. If you'd like to learn more about this, please feel free to reach out and contact us.